For anyone who's day trading US markets or currencies, these are the must-know news events to be ready for. So, looking at the US news, we have one of these events per month. So, we have GDP, which is the gross domestic product, NFP, which is jobs numbers, CPI, and PPI, which is the interest rates. And then we have FOMC, which is 8 times a year. So almost a little less than once a month, which is the interest rate decisions. And now that Trump's back in office, we have his tweets to take into consideration. So, and then other countries, that news events that we have to, just take into consideration lightly, especially or heavily if you're trading currencies, lightly if you're trading US markets, are interest rate decisions and GDP numbers. So interest rate decisions being the same as FOMC and GDP being the same. Now, this Forex Factory, it'll be linked below. This is the easiest way to get your news. So today's the 21st. You can click on the 21st and see exactly what news is coming today. Red folder is, high impact news. Orange folder is medium impact, and yellow is low impact. For me personally, I don't take any yellow folder news into like decision. Doesn't matter what happens. Orange folder, I'll read it. I'll see if it's an important thing that might be related to the USA, but for the most part, I'm not taking into consideration orange folder news. I'm only really looking at red folder news. Now, what you can do is just come in on the morning of Monday and just do what I just did, and you can see the whole week. So you can say Monday, gray, US bank holiday, no trade. Tuesday, we got CAD CPI, nothing else. Wednesday, we got nothing, just yellow. At 10 a.m., there's USA something, doesn't matter. Thursday, come in, we got CAD retail sales and US unemployment claims. Now, it is important to know about the unemployment claims, but this is pre-market if we're looking at East Coast time. And so it's already going to be in the market. Now, this is where we're going to have to start to be more careful. At 11 o'clock a.m., we have President Trump speaking. So that's going to be something to take into consideration. How I would handle this is just not trade until after he speaks. And finally, on Friday, you can see a bunch of red folder news, but by country, there's all euro and the British pound. So nothing really too concerning for me. And then right after market open, we have flash manufacturing PMI and flash services. I won't trade through this news, and you can see it is red. It is red folder, so it is important. It will move the market, but not as much as an FOMC will move it or a CPI. Now, if we just quickly go to the 1 hour here, I'll show you this move right here. This move that's 3.5%. That is FOMC. These are the moves you want to be watching out for. The other red folder that I just showed you, it's not moving it like that. So Forex Factory is a great place to just get a quick scan to know what you're getting into on the day. And then an even better website that I use is Financial Juice. These are both free. You don't need any subscription. And now you can go and you can basically, it gives you all these up-to-date news events on all sorts of things. And then if there's a big news event, you can like click in and it'll give you more information like this. You can click in and see what's going on. That one didn't have any more information, but yeah, you can see. So it'll just tell you what's going on with the news right now. And that has been really important for my trading to know when the news is coming. So to recap, use Forex Factory to check on basic news, and then you can use Financial Juice to see an in-depth report of what happens for the news event.